how to restart Android phone without buttons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily restart your Android phone without using the buttons. So maybe if the buttons are broken, you'll still be able to restart your phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'll be showing you two different ways to do this. The first is simply to swipe down and you'll see the notifications right here. Swipe down again and you'll see a larger menu. In the bottom right, you should see a power button. Select that. And then all you need to do is select restart, and then that will reboot your Android phone. Now, if for some reason you don't have this menu or that did not work for you, don't worry. The next thing we can do is open up the settings on our Android phone and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. And we're looking for accessibility. So select accessibility. Then in here, scroll down and select accessibility menu. Now, all we want to do is toggle on the accessibility menu shortcut, select got it. And now there'll be this little green button that shows up on your screen. And this will show up anywhere you go on your Android phone. You can always turn it off after we restart our Android phone, but go ahead and select that and then select power and then select restart and it'll reboot your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.